Welcome to Quantum Classes. Today our topic is fiber optics. Fiber optics is a branch of physics. It deals with information communication from one place to other place using optical cable wires. Generally, basic information communication system contains mainly three parts. Number 1, transmitter. Number 2, communicating channel or guiding channel. Number 3, receiver. Generally, the work of transmitter is the information or the signal which you want to transfer from one place to other place is converted into electrical signal. After converting into electrical signal, communicating channel or guiding channel transfer this electric signal from one place to the other place using that cable wire. Third one, receiver, just retrace or convert that electrical signal into original information and it will give you output. This is the basic black diagram. In general information communication systems, electrical signal is transmitted through aluminum and copper wires. Since the electrical signal transmission efficiency depends on the resistance of the cable wire, so it is very difficult to transfer electrical signal without any loss, and in general cases you will experience noise and attenuation and dissipation. All these problems you will experience in communication transfer. To overcome these problems, we use new technology called fiber optic technology. Communication of information using optical fiber technology is fastest than any other technology. In this technology, signal or information is converted into optical signal. That optical energy is transmitted from one place to other place through optical cable wires with the help of total internal reflection concept. Since information is transferring in form of light wave, since the velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, so the time take to transfer signal is very faster than any other technology. Also, the advantage of this process is you can send information to longer distances without any attenuation, distortion and any losses. That's why we use optical cable technology to communication purpose. Basic principle of communication through optical fibers. If you see the left side diagram, when optical signal from transmitter is entered into the core material, now that light signal is incident on the interface of cladding and core. Since the refractive index of core is greater than that of cladding, so core acts like denser medium and cladding acts like rarer medium. Now light signal entering from denser medium to rarer medium. If the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then when light is incidenting from denser medium to rarer medium, total internal reflection takes place. So the signal totally reflected into the same core, and again after total internal reflection it incident on bottom side of the core. Again at the interface of core and cladding, it again incident with angle of incidence greater than the critical angle. Again total internal reflection takes place, so it get reflected into the same core. In this way multiple total internal reflections takes place and signal transfer in core from one place to other place. Here important thing is light signal has to enter into the core medium in such a way that it has to incident on the interface of core and cladding with angle of incidence greater than critical angle. Then only total internal reflection takes place. The formula for critical angle theta c is equal to sine inverse 1 by mu. Mu is the refractive index of core. We can write theta c is equal to sine inverse 1 by n1. This is the basic principle of communication through optical fiber